Hi guys, nice to see you again and welcome back to Luciano Cucina Italiana. So today I have two news for you. The first one is the pasta. We don't gonna make the carbonara, but we're gonna make the cacio e pepe. And the second one I will show you later. So first we start from the ingredients for the cacio e pepe. Actually we use 3 ingredients. So we have a pecorino cheese, pecorino romano cheese. Then we mix with the grana, because if we have only pecorino cheese, actually will be very salty. So that's why we blend with the grana. And then at the end we have a black pepper. And after this I'm gonna show you the little touch to make the cacio e pepe always creamy. So it's not melting. So we start. So is 200 grams of pecorino cheese, 100 grams of grana padano cheese. Okay. After peppercorns. Okay. 4 grams. Okay. And then now we need the hot water. So we take the hot water from the boiler. Just a second. Blender. We use 200 grams of water, hot water. After, attach the olive oil. It's more or less 50 grams. And then we blend again. And now we're gonna use the secret. We use the cornstarch. Okay, so it's very important to mix the cornstarch with the cold water. It's not hot. Okay, so we put some cold water here, plain water. Okay, for this recipe we use 3 grams of cornstarch. And then we blend again. So, for me the cacio e pepe, we use always the dry pasta, so the semolina dry pasta. In this case, we use the rigatoni, so the short, but it's a medium size, so it's a little bit more bigger than mezza manica. I will show you. So this kind of pasta is got 8 minutes of cooking. Let's go to the boiler.
Il primo timer di destra.
Ok. Yeah. 100 grams. So we put the pasta in and then we wait 8 minutes, okay? Done.
All right.
But we are almost done. No? We missed 3 minutes.
Okay. Okay.
Non sei dotato, ma io sono Gabriele.
So, I have a little tips for you. So, it's better when you make the sauce to keep the sauce in the fridge maybe for 6-7 hours. So, because the sauce, when you're gonna use the sauce, must be cooled down. So, and then it should be very creamy. You see, like the ice cream. So,
All right.
after, here, after, then 400 grams we use half spoon, some hot water, after. So, we are ready. Pasta. So now it's very important. I'll show you why. I'm gonna show you now why we put the maizena, so the cornstarch inside the pasta. Because we can make, actually the people when they make cacio e pepe, it's never be very hot. So actually it's a very, always is warm. So now if we come very close, you can see the cacio e pepe is boiling. So it's now is 100 degrees. So, but it's not melting. So the pasta, the sauce is not melting because the cornstarch keep close the water and the protein from the cheese. So it never melting. So it never be separate. So the cornstarch keep that very close. So and then we can flip the pasta.
Bella, la mano quella di sinistra, hai partito il brodo, in fondo.
You see, all the water is come out, and then all the cheese will be here. But you see, it's still not melting. It's very creamy. We stop the fire. We leave the pasta on the pan for a few minutes, and then we take the plate. You can see the cacio e pepe, it's very hot and creamy, but not melting. Now, we are plating very traditional way, so it's cool. Pasta. And the sauce. After we finish with some pecorino cheese on top and the black pepper. This one is the Howard cashew pepe. Now I will show you the Howard second use, the Howard cocktail bar Veleno, and then I will leave you to Luca. Come, follow me. So you're welcome. This one is the second use. This is our cocktail bar Veleno. So also you can have a cashew pepe here, and then I will introduce you our bar manager Luca Fanari.
Hello guys.
And his menu. This is the menu from Veleno. Veleno in English means poison. So Luca, we explain to you everything about the cocktail. For the pairing with the cashew pepe. So enjoy the time with Luca. See you later. Oh, on the right side, Mark. No worries.
Our drinks called Cleopatra. As you know, Cleopatra being poisoned by a snake bite. So we represent the poison, putting the veleno from the top of the glass. Inside of this drink you have vodka Altamura infused with vanilla, sherry fino infused with pineapple, and then everything is washed inside of coconut milk, because this one is a milk pan. Enjoy. Salute.
You can buy Topolino, guanciale, whatever you want. Or maybe you can go to Roscioli. The Roscioli is yes, it's in Via dei Chiavari, but the Salumeria is only open in the morning. It's never on the afternoon or night.